let's take a look at how to set up appointment scheduling with Google Calendar. This is very similar to Calendly and saves you from having to set that up. But it'll basically allow people to schedule appointments on your calendar, and it'll of course integrate with your calendar, so it's not going to allow them to overlap with stuff that you already have set up. So let's jump in here. Once you try it, you can set an appointment schedule title. So this is what people are going to see when they try to schedule an appointment with you. And then once you set that, you can set your appointment duration. This is just however long you think your calls would normally take. People could always schedule multiple if they want to, and probably change it. And then here's your general availability. So you can set maybe your 9 to 5 hours or whatever. And a couple other options in here. Let's move forward. And then you can set your description if there's a certain description of the event that people are going to create in your calendar. That's probably going to be helpful here. And you can check out how your booking page photo and name will show up. Set a standard location for your meetings. Again, set a description for the meetings you have. And then also what kind of information is going to be on the form that people are filling out as they're booking an appointment, and whether there's going to be a confirmation. Once you have that, it's all set up. You can then open your booking page and take a look at what it looks like. And now this is my booking page. So it's pretty simple. People can now book appointments with me. If you want to book an appointment with me, you can. It's right on my YouTube homepage. I'll include this link there. Hopefully that's helpful for you, and bye for now.